Introducing one of the best doorbell cameras that I've ever owned. It's the Wyze Doorbell Cam Pro. Now we got this thing linked in the bottom of this video at a great price. So you want to hit that TikTok shop link and grab you one of these today before they decide to take these things back up higher. Now the cool thing about this doorbell camera is it is a wired camera or a battery camera. It's going to come with a chime. It all connects to your Wi-Fi. I'm going to throw a little footage up on the screen here and let me show you how it looks. This is the chime that comes with it. That's the chime going off. You're going to get a corner mount if you need that. You're going to get a sticky mount if you want to do it that way. And the way I got it mounted is screwed to the wall with another mount. It's got a screw that you screw in the bottom of it to keep people from taking it off the wall. Comes with a charger, comes with these little security straps. Several different ways you can mount this thing, guys, and use it on a wired system or a battery system. It also takes an SD card in the bottom if you want to go that route. So guys, hit the shop link and grab you one today.